Hi everyone. In addition to the discussion this week, we also have a quiz. And the quiz is going to be available this week and next week. And it just deals with some of these definitions in evolution. So our discussion will go over the definitions and then you'll get to practice them in the quiz. And that's going to be available for 2 weeks. And you can try it 4 times. So keep working with it until you get the answers. Then the other thing that you need to do is the lab. And the lab this week is a Simutext lab, which you're familiar with. And this time it's a kind of a different format. Simutext is experimenting with embedding the questions within the lab itself, and I've signed our class up to be part of this research experiment. So when you enter the lab, please say yes, you would like your answers to be visible to the researchers so that they can use those answers to improve the lab in the future. And then when you go through the lab, be really mindful. Just be thinking about everything that you're doing. Make sure you understand exactly what's going on. You might also want to take some notes. It might be helpful to just jot down the main ideas that you're learning, the concepts that you're exploring. Because that will help you remember what it is you're studying, will help you integrate the concepts a little bit more. And you're only going to do sections 1 through 5. Sections 6 and 7 will be for next week, so you will do those, and if you're just loving it and you want to keep going, you can keep going. But you won't have to turn in section 6 and 7 until next week. And when you turn it in, you'll be creating a full lab report, so make sure you hold on to all of the data that you've collected, keep track of all of the methods that you've created, and so that you can create that lab report. And I'll give an outline and some more information about the second part of the lab as soon as I can. Then the last thing that you can do is a home base project. So this one is about symbiosis, and it's optional. It's extra credit. So you can do it if you really love the you can do it if you really love the home base and you just want to get out there again. Or if you need some more points. So this time you'll be looking at interactions between species, and I put it in this section because species interactions lead to evolutionary change. So species influence each other. And we'll be talking about that more next week, but I want to offer the home base project now, just in case you have time this week and you want to get started early. So read the description there, and you'll be able to read some things about symbiosis too. I'll post that as well. Okay, so you have 2 weeks to do the extra credit home base as well. Okay, I hope this video and the other video help you get oriented this week, and have a really excellent week.